Question 12. Both rectangles have the same area. Find the value of x. Both rectangles have the same area, and they gave us the sides of triangles, and we need to find x. To solve this, we need to find the area of both rectangles and set equal to each other. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. So for this blue rectangle, the area will be 4 times 2x plus 3, and for this orange rectangle will be 8 times 2x. So we write down 8 times 2x is equal to 4 times 2x plus 3, and then we need to solve this equation. So it will be 16x is equal to, I expand 4 inside, so it will be 8x plus 12. Then I add minus 8 to the both sides, so it will be 16x minus 8x is equal to 8x plus 12 minus 8x. I can cancel this 8x with this negative 8x. On the left hand side I've got 8x, and on the right hand side I've got 12. So I divide both sides by 8, and I cancel this 8 with this 8. X is equal to 12 over 8. 12 is 4 times 3, and 8 is 4 times 2. So I cancel this 4 with this 4, and x will be 2 over 3.